Things didn't go so well last.
Pretty dirty, but.
Yeah. Here comes the mechanic. Okay, all our fears are done. He's here. Where? Come here, Lemuel. See? Who is this? Why, this is Lemuel's Repair LLC. Mobile shop, no guarantee. That's him. Well, it's lunchtime for us, and we've already had some stuff this morning, and I think the mic was dead on the video camera when Emma was doing the monologue. So Abby asked me to do a little introduction here and a monologue on what's going on. We're going to show you, well, what do we got going on today? We're pressure washing off our 8100, and we'll show you that. We had some unfortunate events at the barn, and that's already happened, so it's kind of somber. I'm kind of somber right now, but we'll go ahead and show you what happened at the barn here. And if you watched the teaser to the video, you probably already know. I hesitate even showing you that video. I guess it's kind of raw emotion, but farmers do love their animals. I mean, and we're not a big dairy. We just have our milk cow. But it's tough, and there's kind of some raw emotion there, and I guess you just kind of put yourself out there a little bit, but we'll show you. It'd only be for pride that I wouldn't show you, so we'll show you that footage. And we're gonna take the seal out of our loader tractor and put that back in, and we'll see if we can't find something else worth making this video worthwhile. So I don't know what's up next, but we'll show you the kind of the sad news too, and we'll try to make this day happy yet, because the Lord gives and the Lord takes away, and you can't happily receive the blessings and then have a bad attitude sometimes when the stuff don't go your way, and you don't know all the ins and outs of what's happening and why things happen the way they do, but God does, and you just have to trust in Him. And you have to do your best so that when you look back, you know you've done your best, and we can take comfort in knowing that we've done our best. We absolutely did. I mean, I had nothing left, 3 straight hours, so worked hard on that, and we're kind of gearing up for some planting season here too, so we'll show you that. And if I haven't already lost you, the longer you watch our videos, the better off it is for us. So subscribing is great, liking the video is great, watching the whole video is just absolutely wonderful. So we're going to try to make short, sweet videos that's worth your entire time. So try to stick with us to the end. If you would subscribe, we'd really appreciate it, and hit the like button. We really appreciate it. And we're doing better and better on making our videos. So that's what's in store for this video. I hope you enjoy. I hope you watch the whole thing. I hope you subscribe, and I hope you like. Not so much for me, but the girls really care about it a lot. So do it for them, and we really appreciate it. That's Emma fishing. She had a bass, but it got off right next to the shore. She's using a jig head with a silver twister tail. Lemuel's using a storm eye minnow, about 2 inches long. There he is. Pretty good fisherman for 5. And Abby's over there using a storm eye minnow towards the shallow. We had a little nibble here, but it's probably just a bluegill close. No, Lemuel, don't get complicated here.
Okay.
Keep her simple. No need to show off or nothing here. Okay, that's good. Good job. Okay, see if you can get something.
Pretty dirty, but.
Yeah? Well, we'll probably... Yeah, he's healthy, though.
Yeah.
Coming through winter. You going to release him?
Sure.
Okay. Let's go... see if you can get him to go out right here. That'll be fine. Put two hands under his belly and toss him out there the right direction. Just wait. Well, things didn't go so well last night. Worked on Beulah last night. We worked on Beulah last night for 3 hours, and the calf had died up inside of her, and the calf's neck had got twisted around behind it and upside down. Terrible shape, and I worked on it, of course, trying to fix it the best I could. I finally called the vet out, and he couldn't do no better. We couldn't even get and the calf was dead, maybe been dead 24 hours or so in her, and we couldn't even get enough of a saw in there to get the head sawed off, which is what you can do to dismember the calf enough to get it out and save the cow's life. So we worked 3 hours. I did. The vet worked 1.5 hours. He did wonderful. He said, I just can't do it. We can do a C-section, but C-sections on dead calves usually mean dead cows. He says you don't know wrong exactly, but you take a dead calf out of a living cow and the cow is pretty well going to die. So you can put the money in for a C-section, do a $500 surgery, and still have a dead cow on your hands. So we worked until I had nothing left in me. And we lost Beulah. She gave it her all and we gave it our all. And I kind of hate to be a failure, and I hate it for my family, but we certainly did our best, and we did everything we could. And we ended up having to shoot her to put her out of her misery here. She had nothing left in her. And I know the vet and I had nothing left, and Papa was over here till 1 in the morning working on it. And they didn't have nothing left in them either. So we certainly gave it our best, and now we're gonna go dig a good hole, put Beulah in it. Your chickens are eating all your bird seed. Okay, come here, Emma, and I'll show you. We're leaking gear oil out of here on the back side, so we gotta take this wheel off, and we're gonna replace that. So that's our little project now. Abby, grab that jack back there. It's gonna get loud in here, so we'll do this little intro here. But we'll see. Let's see what we can do. Yeah, now we're gonna crank this thing up. Hop out, Emma. This is gonna be loud.
Ordered outside and me and the girls clean that up. What nasty looking tractor.
Come here, Emma. I'll show you. Come here. Okay. There's virtually no oil in it, but we're going to drain this oil out such as we could, and then take it off right here and right here and split this out. Put a new seal in because we're leaking right in here.
Where's it coming out at?
So I'm pretty sure it's just right in the split.
Yeah, right in the split.
Yeah, so get us a couple big flat point screwdrivers, maybe a little cat's paw or something, and we'll see if we can bust this open.
If that seal was...
Here comes the mechanic. Okay, all our fears are done. He's here. Come here, Lemuel. See? Who is this? Why, this is Lemuel's Repair, LLC. Mobile shop, no guarantee. That's him. You think that's gonna work? Pretty nice flask to be dragging on the ground, ain't it?
Keep falling.
This is what did we say? Lemuel's Repair, LLC. Mobile shop, no guarantee.
Could you help me?
I'll help you. We'll get her strapped on. Lemuel's Mobile Shop and Hydration.
Gotta stop on the tractor repair because they gave us the wrong part.
And so what are we going to do?
We want to wait till we get a different part. They gave us the wrong one.
And then we'll continue that in another video.
Yep.
Well, I think we might go dig a hole for Beulah now. So we'll work towards that. And living on the farm, there's a couple of things you learn about death through animals. And you know, we love our animals and we take good care of them the best we can. But you have to remember, they're animals, they're not people. So kids learn about death that way, through animals. And there was a lot of tears in our house. But it makes you reflect and thankful that we're all alive and well. And death is imminent for everybody. Life is fragile. And we're thankful it wasn't one of us. So we've got a lot to be thankful for. We're heading over to dig the hole. Might just check in after we get it all done. We got that done. We're back home. We're gonna go down. We're gonna go down and see if we can get that crushed tile that we fixed covered up. If it's still working well, so we'll cover that up. And we might call it a day then. I guess I should have started filming earlier, but we're 75% done already. But looking good. I'll show you a little bit here. Kind of going into the sun here. That ain't the best video. He's gonna make this one last stroke. Just gonna back drag that to there. We'll have this in pretty good shape. It'll mellow out, soften, and settle. We'll disc it up and seat it back down. We'll have it done. Gotta be careful here or you'll crush it again.
Y'all come back now. Cheers.